Hi everybody! If you are working on multiple and you want to render multiple composition and you want to continue your work while rendering another composition, you can do this simply by not rendering in After Effects but rendering in Adobe Media Encoder. Adobe Media Encoder is a free Adobe program that you can download and install when you buy one of Adobe programs. It's a very powerful program you can choose the quality and the type of video you want to, for example YouTube 1080, and you can adjust the settings of rendering as you can do in After Effects, and you can render it, and at the same time you can come back and work on another composition in After Effects. This saves a lot of time because you don't have to wait. Sometimes rendering takes hours and you don't have to wait all this time and continue your work in After Effects. But the workflow in After Effects became slower because Adobe Media Encoder takes a film from your RAM and processor. But it's better than sitting down without waiting for the render queue to finish in After Effects. So working in Adobe Media Encoder saves a lot of time and can help you in a lot of situations. Thank you and see you next time.